Talk to us a little bit about Children's Healthcare of Atlanta.
We are, one of the largest pediatric healthcare systems here in the South. We treated over 353,000 patients in 2020.
Whoa, 353,000
Yes.
patients in a
And
year.
absolutely. And that is just the tip of the iceberg. With those 353,000 patients, we had over 913,000 visits. So that is just in 2020.
Question for you is RE/MAX and the Children's Miracle Network have collaborated for years and years and years. Tell us a little bit about that program, because you're responsible for that relationship here in Metro Atlanta. Is that correct?
That is correct. So we are very proud to announce that, we have been partnered with RE/MAX since 1992.
1992.
So fast forward 30 years later, and here we are in 2022. So it's been really incredible. And, RE/MAX has been a proud supporter since then and has raised more than $165 million for our member hospitals across the United States and Canada. So that is the national kind of total, and it's incredible. And majority of these donations come from the Miracle Home program, which allows agents to make a donation after each property sale is complete.
Right. And agents can actually advertise this one as a miracle home. So when you buy it,
Yep.
a little portion of the proceeds goes to Children's Miracle Network. And you do that throughout all 50 states in the United
Yes.
States, not just in Georgia. Is that right?
That is correct.
I can't even imagine. You said 165 million raised in the last 30 years. I can't imagine
Yes.
how many patients have been helped. I would assume a certain percentage of the patients, they don't have the money to pay for the health care that they need. So what is this money used for?
Yeah, and that's a great point that you bring up, Cleve. We never want to turn a child away, nor do we.
Right.
At Children's Healthcare of Atlanta and our network hospitals, this care is so important for
Yes.
the patients and their families that this donation, that's been happening over the past 30 years goes directly to helping those families in every economic form or fashion that they come in. We just want to make sure that every child, in our area and across the United States is cared for in the ways that they need. 100% of every dollar that is raised for CMN Atlanta goes to Children's Healthcare of Atlanta. So that is just something that is different than, some charities. And we are just so grateful that the money that is raised in, the community is staying in the community.
I grew up in Metro Atlanta, so it was Eggleston, it was Scottish Rite Hospital that we're right there at Pill Hill, which is 400 and 285. You can see them there. And now when I drive north and south on 85, when I pass North Druid Hills and all of the stuff that is on the east side of the interstate there, what's going on? What all's being built down there?
We're cooking up a little something over there. So we have our Center for Advanced Pediatrics, which opened a few years ago. But right behind that, which is the building you're talking about, we are building our new campus, which is the Arthur M. Blank Hospital at Children's Healthcare of Atlanta.
Okay.
So back in 2021, you may have heard about a sizable donation that Arthur M. Blank made to us, and that was to name the hospital the Arthur M. Blank Hospital at Children's. So this is a new facility, and it is going to be 19 floors, which we are really excited about. Something that, I think is very, noteworthy is we're going to have so many more patient beds than we do now. We'll have a total of 446 total in that facility,
Wow.
which is 116 more than we currently have at Eggleston. So
Wow.
It's quite a sizable building with a lot more space. You've been to Eggleston, it's a little bit landlocked over there.
Yes.
So we're really excited to have more space to treat, all of the patients that need our care in the coming years, and just to treat the children of the future of Georgia.